Hello, welcome back. In this short video, we are going to learn about how to configure Android device enrollment options. This is an Intune portal, and now you create two enrollment option for Android devices. Just click on devices and click on enrollment devices. Here you can see there are lots of options like Apple device enrollment, Android device enrollment options. So now click on Android device option, and here you can see like manage Google Play as a business account is not configured, and also you can see here there are four different types of profiles are grayed out because we are not integrated Google business Google Play Store. And here is another option as an Android device administrator. Microsoft Intune and Google have completely retired this option, and currently it focus on Android Android enterprise profile configuration because it's very most powerful and very it's reliable as compared to an Android device administrator. Like it reliable to manage and flexible and safe applications because it is totally managed by uh, uh, Microsoft have more control to devices like in Android device administrator have full control totally depend on the like end users have user have fully control the device as in it not providing much secure. So and is a now current scenario enterprise Android enterprise provide like a zero day support like if releasing any new features new functionalities, and also it provide the like uh, managing applications easily and very reliable as compared to device administrator. And you can see here enterprise like Android enterprise profile are mm, currently grayed out. So first we need to connect business Google account. Just click on manage Google Play Store. Here you can see here it's it's not connected like means it is disconnected. Just click on I agree, click on agree. Google launch to connect now. Click on start. Here it's a basic like about the data privacy and business name. Now in a my scenario like CM lab. Click on next, enter the basic, and here privacy purpose like you enter the also enter the agree terms and conditions. It's a complete the registration. Click on completes. Just quick refresh, and now you can see here its status as setup is configured, and this account has been properly configured. Now this time, and now post up the Google business account configuration. Now you able to see here these four types of enterprise enrollment profile has been not a grayed out state like a personal owned device with work profile, and bring on corporate owned device, fully managed devices. So in this video, we are only using the Android enterprise profile. So first we need to restrict the device restrictions policy. Just click on devices, enrollment devices as a device, enrollment device limit restrictions. Here you can see like device limit restrictions is user have one user have only maximum at least to configure 5 devices, and also here is a device types restrictions. So in this lecture we are focused on Android enterprise. So first we create made some changes in basically it is a default profile, and also uh, have a option you can create own profile here like Android enterprise work profile. So in this video first we have only focus on Android enterprise. Click on restrictions, click on all users, click on properties, click on edit. Here you can see a lots of option like Android Enterprise. Now we are only focus on Android Enterprise. So we just block the Android device administrator, and also you can block like uh, you have any like some of the vendor have a specific vendor like Samsung or any other vendor. You can also uh, uh, here enter the brand manufacturer name, and you can also like enroll or block, and also you can manage like the OS version like minimum OS or maximum version. So just I have only changes in a like block the device administrative, because we are focus on Android enterprise. Click on review, save. Before doing in a before doing any changes on default profile, you can create the own profile. Here you can select like a device restrictions. Next, and here is the option like enterprise or Android device. You can block here. Next, and you can scope like if you are not changing on the default profile, you can create the own Azure AD group and assign the group or scope. You can define the scope here. There is an option to like if you are not changing in uh, all users, for you can restrict the scope for any specific group, Android like Azure group. So we have in this we have successfully configure the business Google business account. Now we need to create now we need to create configuration profile, like you have configured profile for like device restrictions, and you can configure. Just click on devices, click on configure profile, and just click on create profile and select the platform. Like we have a focus on Android Enterprise, click on Android Enterprise, click on device restrictions, create. You can define the profile name like Android Enterprise work profile for device restrictions, and also describe descriptions. Click on next. Here you can see lot of option like mm, scan capturing is scan capture like you have restrict the capture the screenshot and blocking the camera blocking like user not able to open camera in your device, and you and also configure the Wi-Fi related USB data transfer block. These are the lots of it's a very powerful profile. You can easily control the individual device. Now we have created the normal like blocking the camera block, date time not able to change users, and also USB data transfer, external media is not allowed. Systems like password, you can define the default password, number of password expire in how many days, user accounts, new accounts or new user not able to add, so you can control here. Click on block, like screen capturing. So in the device restrictions, you have check like lots of option. You can create the profile as per your requirement. Like here you can see like application have allowed to unknown like if you user have tried to install any unknown application like not from managing from Microsoft Google Store, so you can block here accessing all applications. Also you can define like you have provided the access to user managing or app auto updates, you can configure here. So basically inside device restriction it is a more powerful and you can easily manage your device and achieve your target like how your client are like your client have some requirement not like some mm, is- restrictions between user profile like uh, if you have like one of the device as a bring own device personal device, so it's creating one briefcase like a work profile, a user not able to copy work profile data to personal profile, so like you have also transfer is blocking, copy paste is these types of basic setting you can easily achieve. Now click on next. Here is the option you can like assign to all users, or you can add limited this device restriction policy for any AG or AD group. So now in my case I have created one Android Enterprise Work Profile group. Click on select next, and also you can review here and change if required any modification, then you can modify next. So in we have completed uh, configure the configure first we in this video first we have uh, attached Google business account, then we create the device restrictions and define the platform, then we create the configuration profile for enterprise and assign the profile with one group or AD group or Azure AD group. If you assign all user, then you can easily assign to all of users and all devices. Now think about just you have configured the profiles and configure the attachment. So now time to think about Google applications, like a Google manage applications. First we need to import the applications where is managed by Google. So just click on applications, all applications, click on add. Here you can see like manage Google application. Click on manage Google applications, click on add. Here these are the application is totally managed by um, Google Google. So if you have you need to import some applications and just like Teams, Microsoft just filter with Microsoft. Like you want to import these applications. Like first is a basic application Teams required for all users. So we can click on approve. Sorry, approve. Here it asking about the permissions, you want to auto upgrade this application or during so you, I the, keep approve applications for auto upgrade for the security purpose, and it's approved. Click on Microsoft Edge browser required for all users. Just click on again approve, approve, Outlook, approve, approve. Outlook is also approved. Approved. Like a word required for some users, so you can approved. It's time to sync because you have just approved the application. Now, if you not sync here, it's not application is not reflected in all application section. Just now click on sync, refresh, and also here is the option you can filter filter the application platform as Android. Select, and now you can see these are the applications managed by Google Play Store. Now it's time to assign this application to users Microsoft Teams required for click on properties. Here as assignment you can see as a required available for enrolled devices, available for without enrollment. Here is the option you can assign Microsoft team as during the installation of enrolling device it will be installed as a you can select as a required or you can uh, avail in a Google Store. So just click on assignment, edit for all users. Next, yes. So once a user have enrolled any device, this application will be installed during the enrollment of any device. So in this video, we have learned about how to configure Google Chrome and Goo- how to configure Android device enrollment options, and also we have covered the integration of business Google account and create the device restrictions profiles. And you can and also we have configure the configure Android Android enterprise profile configuration and the restrict the platform for assigning you if you want to all user, then you can assign for all users. If you are scope the any profiles, you can create the your AD group, then you easily assign a specific group. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching, take care.